Okay, I got it. It's not stopping. Oh my god, Alpha 9 got such a good video. Like the kids are like, what the fuck?
You understand?
Mm-hmm.
Wait, you
I'm
need
getting
to
this
send
video.
this to me. You need to send this to me. I was like literally thinking that this whole time. Like, I need this on film.
Is he gonna fall? Okay, he's getting closer to us. He's getting closer. In his dress shoes. In his dress, like church shoes right now. Oh, I think he just threw the deuces to me. I'm like getting teary-eyed. Just throws up the peace sign on occasion. Like this is like the longest video, but it won't stop. And I think he sees me videotaping him. Oh god. Okay, you think that's good enough?
I think that's good.
Okay.
I used to think.